Hello guys, welcome to the next episode of our Civil3D tutorials. Today I'm going to show you how to create picture lines in Civil3D. You know, as a designer, these picture lines are very important in order for us to define our surfaces or contour. In Civil3D, picture lines are specialized 3D objects primarily used as foundation elements for site design and grading. Unlike standard polylines, they support two geometric arcs and dynamic behavior. So like what we did in and AutoCAD runs Civil3D with create polylines. We can create straight line and arcs. Now the primary uses of picture lines. First, grading footprints. Picture lines serve as the starting geometry or footprint for creating complex grading such as fan slopes, building plans, or retaining walls. Say for example, if you have a roadway project and then near the roadway you have some structures like houses, nation, or whatsoever structures, you can use this picture lines in order for you to define the footprint of your structures. Second, surface breaklines. They are most commonly added to surfaces as breaklines to define abrupt changes in elevation, such as ridge lines, swells, or the edges of a parking lot. This is important also in order for us to define our contour. Sometimes when we upload our survey data from the field into a Civil3D and when we generate a contour, the contour on the roadway area is accelerated and the elevation is not well defined, so we're going to use this pixel line to define our contour. Third, corridor baseline. They can use as baseline for corridor objects, allowing for more flexible road and site modeling. So not only in the existing grid line, we can use also these visual lines in our design in our corridor. Say for example, if we have a road widening project, we can use these visual lines on the edge of our roadway, in such a way we can extend our assembly to that point. Fourth, relative grading. Elevation can be linked dynamically to a surface. Relative picture lines. If the surface elevation changes, the picture line automatically updates its own elevation. So the same as our contour. If we do some changes on the elements of our contour, and if we updated it, this picture lines is automatically updated the same as our contour. Last, precision map grading used to set specific finish floor elevations or high water levels for drainage ponds. This is important if we have a water engineering project like flood control, seawalls. Where now I have a sample of the video that I uploaded in Civil3D. I'll show you how to create or how to use picture lines. You can create picture lines to go directly to the home menu and then go to the picture line tab or ribbon. Click the picture line. You can create picture line here. You can create also picture lines from object. Say for example, if you have created your polyline here, it's a roadway for example, you can convert it into a picture line. Third, create picture lines from alignment. If we have our alignment, center line alignment, we can convert that alignment into a picture line. Fourth, create picture line from corridor. If we generated our corridor here, we can convert it also into a picture line. Create picture line from step offset. If we have a center line alignment and we do our offset as our edge of the roadway, so we can convert the edge of the roadway or our offset into a picture line. For now, we're going to use the second create picture lines from object because we created our picture lines or our polyline already. So if we observe here in our contour, this area here, the contour is not well defined. So meaning that we have an abrupt change in elevation here. If we're going to create a quick profile here, see what happened. Our roadway is not well defined. This is our roadway. So it has an abrupt change in elevation. If going upward abruptly here. Observe what happened if we are going to create a picture line. We're going to create this polyline, convert it into a picture line. So go to the picture line ribbon on home menu, picture line ribbon, create picture line from object, and then choose the polyline you want to convert into a picture line. After choosing it, Clicking it, hit the enter. Then name it as an edge of Broadway. Choose this icon and create new. For this tutorial, I already created It's an Broadway. If you type here your name, after typing, click apply and click OK. So that's the name of our site here, It's a Broadway. You can click this name box here if you want to create a name. Say for example, this is our road right. So for the style, you can choose here what style you want to create. Example, for this picture line, we choose corridor daylight and then uncheck the boxes here. After doing that, click OK. So we created our picture line. After that, take the picture line and shift into a break line. Add to surface as break line. Choose add to surface as break line. Click it. And we have select surface, the yellow box. The contour here is named as our original surface. So this is correct. And then click OK. The description, you can type in the description you want. Say for example, this is road right 1. After that, click OK. See what happened to the contour here. It is already defined. And also, our roadway here is defined. This is our roadway. This is our roadway already. Now, also somewhere here, the contour is not defined. We convert this polyline into a picture line. Go to the picture line ribbon and choose create picture lines from the object. Pick the polyline you want to convert into a picture line. After clicking it, hit enter and the same procedure. After shooting, click OK. So we create our picture line and after that convert this picture line into a break line. Click the picture line, right click and add the surface as break line. After clicking, click OK. And say for example, this is the road right 2. Okay, after that click OK. So we create our break line. The contour here is well defined. Also, we have a contour here that is exaggerated. We can convert this into a picture line. Go to the picture line ribbon, create picture lines from object, click the polyline you want, hit enter, click OK, and we created our picture line. After that, click the picture line, right click it, and click add to surface as break line. And then click OK. Example, this is the road lip 1. After that, click OK. So our contour here is defined. So that's it. Thank you so much for your time and see you in my next video. Bye bye.